Hi, in this video I will show you how to use effects on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, you have to click on the plus icon in the main menu bar. Once you will click on it, you will see screen like this. Also you will see a effect option on the left. You have to tap on it. Now here is the different tabs like trending, new, green screen, funny, atmosphere, appearance. You can use trending or other effects according to your choice. Select from here and apply it on your camera like this, and after that you can shoot a video in this effect. So this is the procedure to get the effect on the TikTok videos. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.